Holy shit, get him.
This camera is great for capturing underwater footage. It's super durable, very easy to use, and the quality of the video is extremely crisp. The wireless charging and hands-free recording makes it super easy to record underwater. Alright guys, today I'm doing an unboxing and a review with this new canned fishing cam. So first I'll show you a little about it, explain how to use it, and then we'll go out fishing with it and see if we can get some fish on the camera. Got a green light on it for night fishing. It also attracts fish, the green light does. It has a over 2-hour battery lifetime on it. This thing can go over 630 feet down, you guys, so you wouldn't have to worry about any waterproof issues or anything like that. And the cool thing about it is right when you turn this thing on, right when you hear the beeps, that thing starts recording right away. And you can go into the apps, and once you get the app downloaded, you can go in there and mess with the settings. It's set for 3 minutes increment videos. That means it'll just do 3 minutes and it'll just restart over to another one. That's why it saves it in those 3-minute clips. But you could change it in the settings in the apps and make it longer or shorter, whatever you want. But this thing is actually really clear. I didn't realize it was going to be so clear underwater. It's 1080p HD, but it's really clear HD. So I'll show you guys here. Let's open it up. Okay, so first right here, you got the camera. When you open it, pull this camera out right here, and you got your charging wire. It's a really nice cable they give you here. And then your little floating device, I'll show you guys later in the video. It floats the thing. You float it on top, or if you have a heavy enough weight, you can sink it to the bottom. And it just goes just like this, slides on it like that, and it's meant to go down like that. So you want more underneath on the bottom than you do on the top. That way it doesn't try and float up on you. It stays down like that. And then the last thing in the box is the charging, and it's a really cool charger here. All you do is you plug it into the cord there, and it just sets in there, and the little green light will show up. And I found out that thing just stays on. So after a few hours of charging, that it was fully charged when I got it in the box too. All right, so a little bit about this camera here. It's really well built. Right when the first day I got this, I casted it out, and I casted it right on a rock, and as you can see, it still works. It doesn't have any dings or anything, so it's really solid piece. And then right where you do put your hooks here, well, on one end you'll put your leader. I just put a straight hook, and it was only about 6 inches out with a night crawler, and that works good too. You could put a lure. You could do all kinds of different stuff, and then you tie your main line here. So what I recommend with this thing is on this side with your main line, have at least 30-pound braid on there, because you don't want to lose this camera. And then on this side you have something smaller like mono, 10-pound or 15-pound mono on this side. That's what I did, just in case you get snagged up on this side, you could get your camera back. And then real quick here, I'll just turn this thing on and you'll hear it. All right, so you just heard it beep. That means it's recording and it's ready to go, ready to be tossed in the water. And it's all automatic, guys. This thing's super easy to use. Once you get the app, you can do a few adjustments on it, but just right out of the box, this thing's just really easy to work, and it has some really good footage clarity wise, if you can capture the fish. So I'll put all the links in the descriptions there, so you guys could check out this thing, look at the reviews, and if you guys want some awesome footage, I would definitely recommend this thing. All right, so make sure you guys check these out at Can Fishing, Fishing CamX. Super cool little device if you want to capture some awesome underwater footage. Keep them on, keep them on. Take it easy.
It's a good one, bro.
Take it easy.
Oh.
Yep.
Hold on,
No, it's a bass, dude.
It's a big bass. Holy shit, get him.
Go with the split tail. Split tail. Don't let him off. Yep. You got to. Oh, it's big. Yeah, we got to get him out of here. Here, I'll get him. Just get him to me.
Oh, shit. Got him. Good job. Woo! Look at that big boy. Man, he looked like a bass for a minute, bro.
Dude, that thing was jumping out of water like you wouldn't believe.
Holy shit.
I can't get it out. Bro.
It looked like a bass because of the eyes.
Last cast?
Yep. Oh, man.
Last call for cast? Watch out. Oh, God, he's strong.
He's strong. Jeez.
Here. Oh, here, get it. I'm just holding on to him for you. He's freaking solid, dude.
Holy shit.
Do we have to
Yeah, but hold him up. Let me get on
back
camera.
in the water?
No. Heck no.
Let's go.
Last cast, baby.
Were you about to put a worm up?
No, I was getting ready to quit fishing.
Oh, got one. Here we got a night crawler sitting about 6 inches from the camera, and it's pretty cool to watch the bass here. You could actually see them studying the bait and looking at it and just completely checking it out before they strike at it. Here, see, they do a couple little strikes and no takes. These bass are extremely smart, and having this camera footage lets you kind of see their movement, their reaction, and lets you study them a little bit. I just had a blast with this thing. I'll definitely be recording more videos of different bodies of water with it, and it's just so cool to see the fish, just see where they're at and see all the structure underneath the water where you normally can't see. Drag's loose. Got a bunch of stuff around. There's a bunch of those right there, I think. Bass are usually in schools, and as you can see, when one strikes, a lot more gather are interested in what's going on. And they're extremely smart. They'll just keep nipping at it. That's why when you feel a bite with a bass, you gotta set the hook. Nice. Smalley, watch your hook. Ooh, yeah. Here, I'll hold your pole. I got your pole. Nice one. What about 2 pounds? Okay, come back. you go, bud. There you go. He's right. You got him right. Yeah. Well, he's fighting good. Oh, it's a catfish. Oh, never mind.